Hey, I wanted to take a quick moment to go through some very big picture structure of how the class is going to work. I know this is a situation where we have some folks who were intending on taking a virtual class, some that are now opting into it. And so the first thing is that all of the content, especially the content specific to the assignments, is all going to be preloaded in modules, and you would go through it like any asynchronous online class. So content and topic and those things are going to be available in Blackboard. The modules are scheduled to release about a week or so before you really would start working on it if you were just staying right on the timeline. So if you want to work ahead, it should still allow you to do that some. And then everything will be there. That being said, we will have synchronous Zoom meetings. I'm not going to say exactly when those will be or how often, because that might change as the schedule gets finalized, but those will be posted. Those are optional, but those are a chance that if you really wanted some human interaction where you wanted to be able to ask questions and talk about ideas, that's going to be available there. So if you have an idea you're struggling with and you really just need to talk through it, that's what that time's there for, and something where we can talk through it with several of you at once if you want to get on. My goal is for at least some of those, I'm going to have guest speakers scheduled, so guest speakers that I think have input or perspectives they can offer, and you'll have the chance to ask them questions to hopefully get some more perspectives about science education than just what I can offer. But those are not a requirement, because I know that schedules are going to be very flexible, very interesting this semester for everyone. It's going to be difficult. So those aren't required to complete coursework, but they are there, especially if you're someone that was really wanting to be able to interact directly with folks. I will also have office hours scheduled listed in the syllabus that are times that if you call or email, that I will try to be ready on a short notice. Now, just to give you a fair warning, if you call and it's a number I don't recognize, it's not super likely that I will answer right away. And so if you are like, hey, I have this question, I don't want to wait for an email, or I'm struggle typing in an email, if you send me a text message right before you call with a, hey, this is whoever in your science course, can I call you really quick to ask a question? Great, go for it. Those office hour times are times that it will be available and should be able to give very quick responses, or should be able to jump on a quick Zoom meeting if you, like, hey, I really need to talk through this face-to-face. I'll be available and you can jump on during those. Now, technically the internship is still a separate course. Now, the Methods 361 course is going to end up flowing pretty much directly into the 479 internship course. It's going to look a bit different. Some of that information is going to be put out closer to when you would start the internship, and so that's going to be in early October. So don't panic about that yet, but that's going to be kind of our big picture overall structure. Like I said, please don't hesitate to ask questions, and I'm looking forward to this semester.